Pass the hat around. Idiom. Imagine someone literally passing a hat among a group of people collecting coins or donations. That's the origin of this idiom. It means to ask people to contribute money, usually for a common cause or to help someone in need. In a figurative sense, it can also mean gathering support or resources from others. It's all about pooling contributions to make something happen. Examples: 1. For charity. When Tom's house was damaged in the storm, the neighbors passed the hat around to raise money for repairs. 2. In a workplace. At the office, we pass the hat around to buy a retirement gift for our boss. Fun fact: this idiom originated from the 18th and 19th centuries when street performers, such as musicians or actors, would literally use a hat to collect money after their performances. Over time, it became a broader phrase to describe any situations where funds or support are gathered from a group. So now, whenever you hear pass the hat around, you can imagine a hat making its way through a generous crowd, gathering support for a meaningful purpose. Isn't it fascinating how an old custom has turned into a timeless idiom? I'd love having you here. Talk to you again soon.